Here's 6 basic camera shots
that you can use in your videos.
Hi, I'm Andrew from Look Digital Video, giving tips on making videos, content creation and gear reviews. Subscribe below and leave a comment. Number 1.
The wide angle shot.
normally shot with a wide-angle lens so the viewer can see more of the surroundings.
Number 2.
The medium shot.
Shot from the waist up so the viewer can see what the subject is doing or saying. It normally represents the distance you naturally view people from.
Number 3.
The close-up shot.
A shot of your subject from their head and shoulders. It's normally used to express dialogue.
Number 4.
Extreme close-up shots.
It's used to emphasize important detail in an image.
Number 5.
The low-angle shots.
A low-angle shot is where the camera looks up at the subject. It's used to make a subject look larger.
Number 6.
And the high-angle shots. The exact opposite.
Where the camera looks down at the subject, used to make the subject look smaller. Use these 6 basic camera angles in your videos. These can be shot with any camera or smartphone, giving your audience multiple ways of looking at something.
No angle shot.
For more filming tips, check out this playlist. And remember, subscribe below and leave a comment.